My name is Herrera. I'm a second-year student at Northland CNC student. I'm from Williamsville, New York. I had landscaped for 10 years and I had gotten used to working with my hands. And so after a while, that lifestyle became pretty cumbersome and I needed to make a change somewhere. And so I felt that coming here, using my hands, learning how to make things, I felt that that was a really good fit, and I found out it meshes really well with my type of work style. My favorite part about CNC is designing the parts on the 3D programs that we have. To take it from a solid model on the computer to the machine and making it, it's really self-rewarding to see that you're able to pretty much do whatever you want to do, and you can watch the machine spit it out. This is like actually my second stint in college, and coming here was definitely a change because there is a healthy balance between your lecture and your lab work. And that's the real big difference, is that you don't spend a lot of time in the classroom doing the classwork, because where you learn is in the industry, is hands-on. And it doesn't really make a lot of sense to sit in the classroom learning the book material when you're not going to have book material in the field. You're going to be using your hands, you're going to be using the machines and the things around you. So it was a really nice change for me, because I'm not the type of one to sit in the classroom. I like to do the hands-on work, and that's the way that I learn. So it was a really great fit for me. Honestly, coming here and being able to get a jump start working in the job shop, and then eventually progressing into more real world setting job, they really lay out the path for you, and it's a great way to jumpstart your career. And there is a lot of money to be made in it, and who doesn't like to make money?